Giveaway time, giveaway time. What's going on, guys? My name is Dan Davis. I'm the creative director here on DansTube.TV, which is Australia's #1 drone YouTube channel. And I got a giveaway again, and it's for a drone. You could get yourself the Potensic Atom, which is a phenomenal mini drone. I absolutely love this drone. This is a fresh one in the box. It's sealed, and it is the Fly More combo. So you're getting yourself the bag, the drone, the controller, 3 batteries, and a bunch of really cool accessories in here. Very simple giveaway to enter. I'll go through the details now of how you go about doing it, but I would highly recommend looking into the Potensic Atom because it is a great drone, and I know that this is going to make someone very happy. Even if you're, an experienced pilot and you've got other drones, this is so much fun. It has waypoints and it has tracking. It does not have obstacle avoidance, but you get waypoints and tracking on a mini drone. Really fun stuff here. So to win the Potensic Atom, very simple, like I said, follow the link down in the description below. This giveaway is not endorsed by YouTube. It is a free giveaway to enter. I'll have all the rules, privacy notice, everything down in the description. All you've got to do is follow that link, though, through to the King Sumo page. And this is what it's looking like. So this is the landing page for the giveaway. As you can see, very simple. Tells us we've got 11 days. As you scroll down, it gives you more details. So this is where you can see all the details for the giveaway, when it starts, when it ends, when the announcement will pop up. It will be a live stream announcement on the channel. So just make sure that you're sticking around, staying tuned for that. It will be live, and you can see live as I press that button and the winner gets announced. It will be nice and transparent for everyone. Completely free to enter. It's so simple to enter. So once you're over here on the King Sumo page, you put your details in and you're signed up for the giveaway. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So you put your name and email in, or if you'd prefer, you can sign up with Google. Same thing, and you will be in the giveaway. That's literally all you have to do. You can do that, and you have a chance of winning a brand new drone. That's simple. But if you want some additional entries, then there is something else you can do. So what you can do is once you've signed in, it will take you through to the next page, which is basically this one right here. So you've signed up, you've come across to this page, and then these are the additional entries. So again, you don't have to do any of these, but if you want some extra chances of winning, then these are some additional options you can do. So you can click on these and action what it says, and that will give you some extra entry conditions. And that's it. It's as simple as that. You're in the giveaway, ready in a running to win a brand new drone, which is so exciting. I love giving away drones, especially because I know that people appreciate them, and I know that not everyone can get their hands on a drone. So really, really excited for this to go to a good home. Thank you, everyone, for all the support. I really do appreciate all the support over the last 16 years maybe of me being on YouTube, something like that. Ridiculous stuff. So thank you, everyone. Obviously this wouldn't be possible without anyone. That's why I love doing these giveaways. Yeah, make sure you sign up. Best of luck, and I will chat to you very soon. I will go live when I announce the winner in the next 11 days. Fingers crossed, everyone. Stay tuned. More really cool content on the channel very soon, and I'll chat to you then. Thanks. Peace.